Hello and welcome. So, are you ready to start speaking English with a little more confidence? Well, today we're going to learn 3 really simple questions. Questions that'll help you start a conversation with just about anyone. Our goal here is pretty simple. In just the next few minutes, you're going to know how to ask 3 of the most common questions in English. And believe me, they're super easy, so you'll be ready to use them right away. All right, let's begin. Okay, first up, we're going to learn how to ask someone about how they're feeling. This is a big one, because it's often the very first thing you say when you meet someone. So here's the question. Just listen carefully to how it sounds. How are you? Let's break that down a bit. So we use how are you to ask someone how they're doing, how they're feeling. It's just a really friendly and very common way to get a conversation started. All right, are you ready to give it a try? Let's say it together. Just repeat after me. How are you? That was great. Let's do it one more time, just to make sure you've got it. How are you? Perfect. See? You're a natural at this. Okay, let's do it one last time so it really sticks in your memory. How are you? All right, let's move on to our second question. This one is all about finding out where a person comes from. Okay, our second question is, where are you from? Just listen to how the words flow together. So when do you use this one? Well, you ask where are you from when you want to know about someone's home country, or maybe even their home city. Okay, time to practice again. Let's say this one out loud together. Where are you from? Really good. You're doing great. Let's say it again to help it sink in. Where are you from? Awesome. Okay, one last time now and say it with confidence. Where are you from? And now it's time for our third and final question for today. This one is all about finding out what someone likes. So here it is. Do you like coffee? Now, this is just a great example. The cool thing is you can replace coffee with, almost anything. You could ask about music or movies or sports. This type of question is just a fantastic way to find out what someone enjoys. It really helps you connect with people by finding things you both like. Okay, let's practice this one now. Just repeat after me. Do you like coffee? Excellent. Let's try that again. Remember, repeating it is so important. Do you like coffee? Perfect. All right, one last time. Let's say it all together. Do you like coffee? Okay, so now that we've learned 3 new questions, what do you say we put them all together? Just imagine we're having a short conversation. I'll ask the questions, and you'll see some simple answers.
All right, so I'll start. Ready? How are you?
And a simple, nice response would be, I am fine. Okay, next, I might ask, where are you from? And a clear answer could be something like this. I am from Canada. And then, to get to know you a little better, I'd ask, do you like coffee? And a really simple answer is just, yes, I do. See that? It's so easy to see how these questions can create a simple, friendly conversation. Wow, we've actually covered a lot in just a few minutes. So let's do a quick review of what we learned, and then we'll talk about the most important next step for you. So let's recap real quick. We learned how are you for asking about feelings. We learned where are you from to ask about someone's home. And we learned do you like to find out about their interests. Honestly, these 3 simple questions are your key to starting so many new conversations. And here it is, the most important part of all. You have to practice. Just try to use these questions every single day. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful and happy learning.